It's my birthday. I'm a year older. However, it being my birthday, it means it's time for prize giveaway! That's right, today we are giving away an Eachine. Okay, what is very special today is it's not only my birthday, it's my father's birthday, so happy birthday, Dad. Love you too, Mum. And also my dad's mother's birthday. She's unfortunately passed away, but thinking about you, Grandma. Happy birthday. 3 generations, wow. Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. I have to have the mask on, it is law in Malta. Please stop doing comments and stuff like that about why are you such a plonker wearing a mask all the time. I have to, even when I'm alone up in the cliffs. Now, today is my birthday, and as you saw by the side of this video, it's my birthday. It's not something that I celebrate getting a year older, it's quite depressing. But the good thing is that I can now give something to you guys. One of you is going to receive an Eachine EAT11. So, let me explain how this all came around. I was considering a giveaway and I contacted Banggood just wondering about how I was to order it and then send it to someone else. And my amazing contact at Banggood said, it's your birthday week. I said yes. He says, right, well then we'll sponsor it. So thank you, Banggood. You guys are just amazing. But then he said, do you know what? Why don't we do 2? So after this prize draw is ended, we're going to do a second one. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but I'm going to tell you that the gifts are going up in value. And I'm like, wow, are you kidding? My God, thank you. And then he says, it's your birthday week. And I'm like, yeah. He says, why don't we give you 3? 3 prizes to give away. Are you kidding me, Banggood? Thank you so much, seriously. So, we're gonna have 3 competitions. This is the first one. The second one will be at the end of March, around the 25th to the 27th. That's a special one, make sure you follow that one. And then about 3 weeks after that, I'll have to look into it. So, what do you have to do to take part in this competition? There's 3 things, maybe 4. Let's go through it. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Number 2 is to actually write in the comments section below #Banggood. That's all you need to do. Make sure there's no spaces in it. #Banggood. All of these are right in the description below this video. Number 3 is to share the video wherever you like, on any of the social platforms that you're a member of. That's it. That's all you need to do. And then you've got a chance to win. I will be announcing a winner on the 24th of March. And then the next prize giveaway will be the 25th of March. I think we'll go straight into the next one. So good luck, everybody. I hope you have a great day today. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that little notification bell as well, and I'll see you next time. Here's a little bit of drone video for you. Have a great day. Bye bye.